to the Luxury Lifestyle Show, where we bring you the latest and greatest in all things luxurious. In this video, we will take a look at the Element Palazzo, the most expensive RV in the world. But before we continue, make sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you won't miss any of our videos. Now, let's get right to it. There are many luxurious motorhomes in existence, and here are some worth mentioning. The Country Coach Magna 630, $500,000. For those accustomed to luxurious living at 10,000 feet in the air, maintaining that lifestyle while traveling on the road can be a challenge. But if you have a healthy bank account exceeding $500,000, the Country Coach Magna 630 offers a solution. This RV is customized to provide a royal experience, surpassing the standards of a typical modern home. While it may not match the speed and agility of a private chartered plane, the Country Coach boasts a 600 horsepower engine, ensuring you reach your destination in style. Similar to an ultra-modern smart home, this RV features a fully customizable touchpad, granting effortless control over all house electronics. You can regulate the air conditioner or adjust the blinds without lifting a finger while relaxing on the couch. Furthermore, the Country Coach Magna allows you to get up close and personal with nature, as it boasts a unique customized balcony on one side. Adding to its elegance, the RV is equipped with futuristic solar panels on the roof, enhancing its aesthetics while providing sustainable power on the road. The Monaco Dynasty 45P, $600,000. When Monaco is mentioned, luxury is guaranteed. The Monaco Dynasty RV epitomizes opulence on wheels, catering to the affluent. In an industry often lacking flair, this motorhome stands out as a treasure. Step inside to be welcomed by a porcelain-tiled floor, illuminated by a bright LED ceiling, chic cabinets, wardrobes, and a king-sized bed adorned with silk linen enhance the lavishness. Comfort on the road reaches new heights. Though not as fast as the McLaren in your garage, the Monaco Dynasty boasts a 600 horsepower Cummins engine that propels it at an impressive speed while preserving its exquisite interior design. And the price? A mere $600,000, a sum you won't mind parting with for such indulgence. The Newman King Air, $750,000. When royalty takes to the road, adoration follows their every move. Their taste is resplendent, demanding compliments. Private jets dominate the skies, while expensive cars rule the land. Yet, on the road, only the wealthiest indulge in the most luxurious motorhomes. Enter the Newman King Air, a remarkable RV that flawlessly blends opulence with efficiency. Powered by a 600 horsepower Cummins ISX turbo engine, this motorhome sits on a custom-made Spartan K3 chassis, elevating it even further. Prepare to be mesmerized by its fully equipped interior, a perfect replica of a grand palace. From the lavishly furnished living room to the state-of-the-art kitchen, every detail exudes elegance, and the indulgent bed and bath complete the ensemble. However, to relish these luxuries, one must consult their financial advisor and embrace the staggering price tag of $750,000. The Country Coach Prevost, $1 million. Travel is an art, and the Country Coach Prevost is the perfect canvas. With spacious interiors and luxurious furnishings, it's a mobile haven that guests won't want to leave. Its property value reaches a staggering $1 million, making it a top choice. Now let's discover the ultimate motorhome, the Element Palazzo, the pinnacle of luxury and the most expensive on the planet. The Element Palazzo, $3 million. Finally, we arrive at the pinnacle, perched atop the mountain, the glamorous Element Palazzo. Recognized as the epitome of luxury across over 190 countries, this extraordinary motorhome brings the essence of a yacht to the local highways. The first striking feature that will captivate you is its futuristic design. The Palazzo resembles a vessel from a science fiction novel, transporting you to a vision of a spaceship from a century in the future. It's truly astonishing to think that the initial model was unveiled as recently as 2014 by the esteemed Austrian motor giant Marty Mogul. When it comes to power and efficiency, no aspect was overlooked during the creation of this magnificent masterpiece. Propelled by a Volvo engine atop a Volvo chassis, a nostalgic homage to the mighty trucks of yesteryears, the Element Palazzo leaves no room for compromise. What sets it apart is its intricate body construction, one of the most intricate in the motor industry. The outer wall boasts a robust layer of marble, measuring over 60 millimeters in thickness. With such substantial weight to bear, it comes as no surprise that this colossal beauty is equipped with an equally formidable engine. The interior design of the Palazzo is undeniably exceptional, tailored to impress you with its tasteful extravagance and elegant understatement. One highlight that will capture your admiration is the remarkable Sky Lounge, the piece de resistance of the Palazzo. With its splendid seating arrangement and canopy, it offers you an ideal space to immerse yourself in the pristine beauty of nature. Accessing the deck is a breeze through the exterior stairwell, granting you instant pleasure as you indulge in the luxurious furnishings and radiant floor heating of the Sky Lounge. Not to mention, the lounge is equipped with a cutting-edge temperature regulation program and an air convention system, ensuring your maximum comfort. When it comes to the floor plans of the Element Palazzo, you should let go of any preconceived notions you may have about motorhomes. The layout has been meticulously crafted to offer you and your guests abundant living space. In the center of the RV, you'll find a spacious 4-meter couch, perfectly positioned next to a bar filled with luxurious amenities. From an ice maker and a flat-screen TV to a state-of-the-art wine cabinet, every one of your extravagant desires will be satisfied. Moving on to the more private aspects of the Palazzo, you will be impressed by the thoughtful design of the bathroom. It is cleverly positioned away from both the master bedroom and the living room, ensuring easy access to both areas without any bathroom distractions. Speaking of the master bedroom, it boasts a king-sized bed that is far from ordinary. In fact, your research will reveal that this bed is manufactured by the company responsible for supplying beds to the British royal family, solidifying its deserving title of king-sized. The master bedroom also offers ample space for deluxe furnishings, a flat-screen TV, and a dressing table. However, beyond this functionality for resting and napping, the adjacent spa area provides a tranquil haven for you to relax under a warm rainfall shower. The therapeutic water and serene atmosphere will truly rejuvenate your mind, offering you a blissful escape. Despite being overshadowed by the opulence surrounding it, it is important to mention the exceptional design and safety of the Palazzo's driver cab. Designed by Luigi Collini, a renowned figure in the automotive industry acclaimed by esteemed brands such as Fiat, BMW, and Alfa Romeo, the driver's console is positioned to minimize blind spots on the passenger side, significantly reducing the risk of accidents. The inclusion of a round window further enhances visibility, allowing both of you and the driver to fully appreciate the breathtaking surroundings during your scenic journey. In the end, luxury comes with a hefty price tag. The Element Palazzo proudly holds the title for the most expensive motorhome in the world. With innovative features that push the boundaries of imagination, it's no wonder this extraordinary motorhome commands a staggering $3 million. What do you think? Tell us in the comment section below. Give it a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you get more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.